Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on how to perform at-home pregnancy test using vinegar. Pregnancy can be a journey filled with excitement, hope, and sometimes a bit of anxiety, especially for those eagerly awaiting confirmation. For some women, purchasing a pregnancy test kit may not be feasible due to cost or privacy concerns. That's where homemade methods like the vinegar pregnancy test come into play. What is a vinegar pregnancy test? A vinegar pregnancy test is a simple DIY method that involves mixing white vinegar with a urine sample. The idea is that vinegar will react with human chorionic gonadotropin (HCG), the hormone that levels increase during pregnancy. If a woman is pregnant, this mixture is believed to produce a visible change, indicating a positive result. Types of vinegar to use. When performing this test, it's crucial to use clear or white vinegar. This type of vinegar allows any potential color change to be easily seen. Avoid using apple cider vinegar, as its natural color can obscure results, making it difficult to interpret any changes. How to perform the vinegar pregnancy test. Let's dive into the steps involved in conducting a vinegar pregnancy test. You'll need the following items. 1. 2 sterilized containers. 2. Clear distilled vinegar. 3. A morning urine sample. Step-by-step instructions. 1. Collect your first morning urine sample. The first urine of the day is the most concentrated and is recommended for testing. Use a clean container to collect it. 2. Pour vinegar into a second container. Measure a suitable amount of clear distilled vinegar into this container. 3. Add a small amount of your collected urine to the vinegar. 4. Gently stir the mixture and let it sit for about 5 minutes. This waiting period allows any potential reaction to occur. 5. After 5 minutes, observe the mixture. A noticeable color shift may indicate a positive result, while no change suggests a negative result. Alternative method: tuna oil and vinegar test. Another interesting method involves using tuna oil in addition to vinegar. Here's what you'll need. 1. 2 sterilized containers. 2. Clear distilled vinegar. 3. Tuna oil. 4. A morning urine sample. Steps for the tuna oil and vinegar test. As before, gather your first morning urine in a clean container. In a larger container, measure out equal parts of tuna oil and vinegar. Mix in a small amount of the collected urine. Stir the mixture well and observe any color changes. A greenish hue may indicate a positive result, while orange or yellow suggests a negative result. Factors that could impact results. While homemade tests can provide some insight, there are several factors to keep in mind that could affect the accuracy of your results. 1. Timing. Testing before your missed period might yield a false negative since HCG levels may not be high enough to trigger a reaction. It's generally best to wait until after a missed period for the most accurate results. Dilution. The correct ratio of vinegar to urine is crucial. Using too much vinegar can dilute the urine, affecting the acidity and leading to inaccurate results. 3. Vinegar storage. Fresh vinegar is essential for this test. Expired or improperly stored vinegar may lose its acidity, which is critical for the reaction. 4. Incomplete reaction. Ensure to mix the ingredients thoroughly. Incomplete stirring or using too much or too little of either ingredient could lead to inaccurate results. While homemade tests like the vinegar test can offer some insights, they should never replace professional medical tests. If you suspect you are pregnant, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider to confirm your pregnancy with a medically approved test. Thank you for watching our guide on how to perform a vinegar pregnancy test at home. Remember, while these tests can be fun and interesting, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. If you believe you're pregnant, make an appointment with your doctor for confirmation and further guidance. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more pregnancy-related content. If you have any questions or experiences to share, drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video.